What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Cook with MIT. Happy Easter Sunday. In today's video, our recipe is going to be Oreo Pops. Now you're probably wondering to yourself, Josh, why are you wearing that? And you know what I say to you? I'm the Easter Bunny. Oh, you have a question? Yes, what?
Does that mean you poop eggs?
What? Huh? No more questions for today. Let's get on to the recipe. For the first step, you are going to grab mega stuffed Oreo, right? You're gonna grab an Oreo and you're going to grab a popsicle. Should these called popsicles? Yes. And now what you're going to do is grab the popsicle and just shove it right in. But you gotta be careful because you don't want to be like an idiot and accidentally break it. Now you don't want to be a fool and make it like this. Alright. Who would even do this? Like, come on. But now you're gonna do this as many Oreo popsicles as you want. So once you're done doing all your Oreos, you are going to start the chocolate process.
Chocolate? Chocolate? Did you say chocolate? Chocolate? Chocolate! Chocolate!
I was going to do the Oreo, but I changed my mind because Oreo on Oreo, that doesn't really make sense. What we're going to do is get candy melts. What you're going to do is put it in the microwave and you're gonna plop it in there for about a minute. So it's done, and I actually left it for about 4 minutes because it did not want to cook. So once you got your frosting and you got your Oreos, you're gonna grab your Oreo, right? And you're just gonna dip it, but be very careful because these Oreos break apart very easily. Now your cookies don't have to be perfect, but as long as the frosting's on it, then you're good. Alright, so having a little bit of difficulties with this, but we did get one successful winner. Now you're going to get your cake drip and you're just gonna decorate. Now you can do any decoration you want, but oh, this is not open. You have to melt it. My bad guys, I forgot you have to melt this. But once you finally get your decoration tools, start decorating. Alright, so this is the finished product. I mean, look at that, like look at this Easter. This is like the first video where I kind of messed up, but hey, in the end, I still did it, okay? I still did it. Alright, this is the finish. I made it as Eastery as possible. Alright. I'm gonna need to reattempt this. Next time, I'll have more power. But you know, like for my first try, it's not bad. It's just not good. Oh my gosh, this video was a disaster.
Hey, phony. It says I the Easter Bunny, and I see you're copying my look.
What's up there? Everyone know I'm the real Easter Bunny. Come on, put them up.
You made a grave mistake.
Huh?
Thank you all for watching. Subscribe for the next video.